Meaning of horoscope.
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 Horoscope. A horoscope is a forecast of what may happen to an individual in the future based on the positions and movements of celestial bodies at the time of their birth. It is a form of astrology that uses specific information, such as the person's date and time of birth, to make predictions about their personality traits, relationships, career path, and other areas of life. Many people read horoscopes as a way to gain insight into their lives and make decisions. However, scientific research has shown little evidence that horoscopes have any real predictive power.